All right, guys, so here we are at the Soundview Ferry. I got my ticket online. You can do it online on the website or on the ferry app, or you can do it here in person at the ticket booth. They have little ticket machines. It's really so relaxing. You can like just sit and meditate and just enjoy the air and the view. It's really dope. And the Soundview route of the ferry connects communities here in the Bronx to the Upper East Side and locations in Manhattan. This is the New York City ferry app I was telling you that you can get the tickets on. This is where we're at right now, Soundview. And then, as I said, East 90th Street, East 34th, Stuyvesant Cove, which is where I'm getting off, and Pier 11. There are other ferries that connect to other areas of New York, as you can see, because these are the different routes. We're on the Soundview route, but there's the South Brooklyn, Rockaway, East River, and Astoria, Governor's Island shuttle service as well. And the Staten Island ferry, which is a different thing, it's free. This is the waiting area, as you can see. You can see the ferry coming from a distance. We are entering the ferry to show you guys the inside. So this is the inside of the ferry. There's actually a concession stand where you can buy drinks and little snacks. The outside view. Wow, this is really dope. And I'm gonna show you upstairs. And you have little things you can sit on. I think you can sit on this and just enjoy the ride. I think I'm gonna stay here. And the entire ride in total from right here, Soundview, to Pier 11 is 50 minutes. So I mean, you can't beat that. For $275, you're getting a view of New York City, a view of the Bronx as you're leaving or arriving. Can't really see the front, but we'll try it. This is the 90th Street stop. So what I'm gonna do is go downstairs so we could get a seat by the window and experience it from the inside. This is the New York City tram system, which takes you to Roosevelt Island. Over there. And I'll be showing you that in an upcoming video. Just like that, we are at Stuyvesant Cove. So let's head on out. Say bye-bye, ferry. Bye-bye. So now we are officially in downtown Manhattan. It was fun seeing the Bronx. And now I'm going to show you just a little bit of Manhattan. Okay, so here we are. StuyTown, New York, New York. Well, I guess I could tell you a little bit while we're waiting for the red light. So the Stuyvesant Town and Peter Cooper Village over here is a large post-World War II residential development, which is here on the east side of Manhattan. And this complex consists of 110 red brick apartment buildings, and you can see them. We'll get closer in a minute, but obviously you can see the red brick. Pretty noticeable. And it stretches from 1st Avenue to Avenue C between 14th and 23rd Streets. And we have the green light, we have the red light, but the go sign to walk. So here's a closer look at the red brick. Pretty vivid coloring. And obviously, as you can see, it's split up into two parts, which is Stuyvesant Town and the Cooper Village, Peter Cooper Village over here. The crazy thing is, when you combine both sides, all together they contain 11,250 apartments. Whew, that's a lot. And this Stuyvesant Town, Peter Cooper Village, was planned in the beginning of 1942. We're gonna take a walk through StuyTown right now. And it opened its first building in 1947. So just a few years later. And before that, it was a gas house district of like gas storage tanks. So pretty cool that they made apartments available. Should we take the stairs or the loop? We'll do the stairs because it gives it more character. You got doggy bags for your dogs. Now, why they don't do this in the projects in the Bronx or Brooklyn? Make it all nice with green. Look at this green grass in the middle. This is incredible. We don't get that. Kids can play games. You can have a picnic. I want to show you guys the oval section because it's a really nice looking fountain. It's a really big place. As you can see, some games are going on. Practice makes perfect. All right, not bad. And over here is a volleyball game. Go.
You have to look at me when you're walking. You have to go staring at me.
Now, if you're into reading and authors and things of that nature, Mary Higgins Clark actually resides here. Maybe she moved, I don't know, but she used to. Here we go, like a Soul Cycle type of thing, I guess. We are approaching the oval, as you can see, in between the bushes. The fountain. I know that's right. They got their beach chairs there. They got their feet up like they at the beach. I ain't mad at you. I am not mad. And this is the oval. As you can see, it's shaped like an oval. And you can sit on a bench, sit on the grass like everybody else, and just relax on a hot summer day. It's pretty epic. And I can actually feel the water from right here. So it's pretty refreshing, to say the least. I'm going to show you one more thing, which is right across from the oval. And it's essentially another little place where you can relax in the grass. But it has some really cool lights hanging that gives it that islandy beach feel, which is playground 10. So you see the lights hanging. You can't really see them because it's daytime, but yeah, so pretty dope. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this little ferry ride, this mini tour of Stuyvesant Town, and stay tuned for some cool videos coming up, including New York City's first floating park. Now have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Peace.